detector. Milepost 0.39. Track 1. First clearance. Defect from axle 152. Axle 16. Second clearance. Defect from axle 362. Axle 38. Third clearance. Defect from axle 402. Axle 45. Fourth clearance. Defect near axle 47. More defects. Inspect train. X equipment.
Good morning.
Defect detector.
K4ARX.
0.39. Track 1. First clearance. Defect from axle 152. Axle 16. Second clearance. Defect from axle 362. Axle 38. Third clearance. Defect from axle 40.
I got you. I'm portable over here in Shockley Valley, just east of downtown, of course. I'm in train spotting this morning. It's not too bad day. It's pretty nice out here. I'm in the shade. I'm sure it's a little bit better than the sun.
Alright, let's go to 080. One.
What the heck? The DMR radio just reset. Yeah, right now it's not too bad. It's mostly sunny over here. I got part of that. For some weird reason, my DMR radio just reset itself.
Well, that's unfortunate. See, I was looking on eBay last night, and it looks like some of the like 4300 series radios we have for like 120, 130 bucks.
Yeah, that's not too bad. That's a good deal. I was also looking at mini computers this morning, mini PCs. They're about the same price. That could probably help me get some things done too. Windows 10 compliant, I believe.
I don't think I'm going to send this PC for a long time. I pretty much buy everything refurbished on eBay. And save a fortune.
Yeah, I bet you can. I'm gonna have to research some of that. I don't really know what I'm doing with that, but I'll have a look at it.
I mean, I've been doing like business transactions on eBay for over 20 years. I've only gotten burned for the guaranteed supplies one time. I got burned out of $100 on a couple $1 million worth of purchases. So I think I did okay.
Man, that's a really good deal. Well, I've been doing it about half as long as you have, and mostly it's just radios and scanner receivers and stuff like that. I do fairly good. I'm still careful though.
There's a lot of junk out there. You gotta like real sketchy. One of the jets is I'm right at the end of my string, I think. Once I get down the hill, I'm gonna probably be pretty bad. How many copies of it?
Yeah, copy you Lima Charlie, no problem at that point. But I'll let you go. I know you got things to do, and probably going to shut it down here in a little bit, go back inside and refresh my cup of coffee. 7-3 to you, K4ARX.
Okay, next later, on the break, just to see how well it works. Maps will give a prediction, but I'm looking at 45 watts of not power. It's doing the job of putting it all out. You got the
Just in time.
20. Netherlands. 309. North Hall Circle. Engine 20. 309. North Hall Circle. Cross streets for North Hall territory. On to channel 2. Time out. 50.
There he is. Appreciate it. Wow. If I catch that or not. Nah, he's just coming in for a different flight pattern. Huh? Oh, on the bottom end, yeah. They probably ain't got time.